Hello, in this video we're going to use application Flowy14 to write an algorithm that determines the volume of a cuboid if all of its sides are given. Let's go into the Flowy14 app. To our dashboard here, we'll proceed to add comments. There are found under the upper left corner where it says comments. That opens up the left hand side command menu. You can navigate to them manually, or you can use this search option. So the first command to begin designing our flow is always the start command. So let's have that added. And in our exercise here, for the purposes of our exercise here, to determine the volume of a cuboid, we'll need three input commands. So let's just type in the word input. That's the wrong command. Our input should show up as one of the first commands available. So here it is. And we need two more of these. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong command. So if you've added the wrong command, just long tap it and place it in a trash can. We need two more of the input commands. All right, so that's one for one of the cuboid's sides, and now we'll need two mathematical commands. So let's just type in the word math. By default, the mathematical command comes with the addition function. So the plus sign, we need to turn it in any of the above available functions. We'll need a multiplication for our purposes today, and we'll need another multiplication command as well. Also turn the plus sign into multiplication. You can see that the plus sign has turned now into the multiplication sign. And to print our result, we'll need an output command. Just type in output. So once you've designed your flow and you're ready to close it off, you can add the end command. All right, so we've designed our flow, and do we have unnecessary comments here? Okay, there are some unnecessary comments here, so we can click into it and send it to the trash can just to clean up our dashboard here. All right, perfect. So once you've designed our flow here, we can start connecting the commands. So what we need to do, we need to connect the sides of our cuboid. We need to connect the first two sides into the first multiplication, and then the third into the second multiplication, and along with the result of the first two sides. So let's begin by clicking into the first command. You will see a green area. Click into it. That's your outbound indicator, and this in turn highlights all the available inbound data connectors. So we'll connect it to the first multiplication command, and then the same exercise we need to perform for the second input command. We need to connect its outbound data connector into the second available inbound data connector on the first multiplication command. Once you click off of the design, you will see a yellow arrow indicating how the commands have been connected. So now what we need to do, we are multiplying the first two sides. We need to now multiply the result of that in our second multiplication command by the third side. So we'll need to click into our third input command into its outbound data connector and connect it into the inbound data connector on the second multiplication command. So we can click off of the design and again see our third arrow pointing how the third input command has been connected to the second multiplication command, and now we need to connect the result of the first two sides being multiplied by the third side. So click into the multiplication command and into its green area, which is the outbound indicator, into the second available inbound data connector on the multiplication command. And now that we've achieved our result, we need to print it by connecting the result command, which is our multiplication command, the second one, to the output command. So let's click into the command and into the green area, which is the outbound data connector, into the plus sign, which is the inbound data connector on the output command. So now that you've successfully designed your flow and you've connected all of the commands, you are ready to execute your flow by clicking the option Run. So the blue area here is asking us to enter the first side of the cuboid. We'll choose 6, enter. And now we're being asked to enter the second side. We'll choose 3, enter. So 3 times 6. And the third side, we'll choose 4 and enter. So 18 times 4. And that's our area. So this concludes our exercise by using application Flowy14 that we wrote an algorithm determining the volume of a cuboid if all of its signs have been provided. Thank you.